How to fix script error. An error has occurred in the script on this page. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager. Now, you want to look for the running process on the app. If you see any, you simply want to click on End Task. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is click on the search bar. Here, search Internet Options. Click on that. Now, you want to click on the Advanced tab. Here select Browsing. Now check the box that says Disable Script Debugging. Once you tick that, you want to click on Apply, then click on OK. Next, you want to head over to the General tab. Here, click on Delete. Now select all of these boxes such as Temporary Internet Files, Cookies, History, Download History. Then go ahead and click on the Delete option. Once that is done, you won't get this error anymore, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.